I hope you don't get it. Yet there's still the concern of the adverse effects in weeks, months, and maybe years to come. Isn't it important that they build up their immune system? Because that's what God gave us. So if that's true, Dr. Cole, what can they do to build up their immune system?
Excellent question. Number one, we're a vitamin D deficient nation. We don't get out in the sunshine enough in the spring and the summer. In the fall and the winter, all respiratory viruses increase because our immune system is weakened. Vitamin D is critical in the proper dose. If you get your level above 50, that's kind of the middle of the range, chance of being hospitalized is almost zero. And if this was one public health message this last year that was missed from the pulpits in Washington, it was, hey, we're a D deficient nation. Here's something so simple we could do to optimize our immune health with a little bit of magnesium at bedtime and some vitamin K2. Those optimize vitamin D. Number two, the number one factor in all the studies, if you then algorithm looked at every study on COVID, the number one factor was what's your blood sugar. If we eat too much sugar, most health doesn't come from a pill or a needle. It comes from what? It's at the tip of our fork. And we need to be conscientious and cognizant of that. What are the things that we can do to decrease the inflammation in our body? And diet...
Because sugar
is inflammatory.
It lowers our immune system.
Yes, it does.
And it is inflammatory, which then helps disease to come. So let me back up, though, on the vitamin D, because I know they're all out there, because I know y'all think alike. How much vitamin D? I know you said we need to get a level of 50, but until you go to a doctor, you don't know what your level is. So about how much should they take it?
Without ever even getting a blood test, the Endocrine Society says you can safely take 4,000 international units a day. Most people 5,000. The more body weight you carry, it's harder to absorb, and it's harder for your vitamin D to get into circulation. That's why the magnesium is important. So it's anywhere from 4 to 8 to 10,000 units a day, depending on the individual, but 4,000 safely. And then people ask, do kids need it? Well, are they human? Of course they are.
Wow.
So even little kiddos, 1,000 units a day, you get up to age 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,000 units a day, you get up above age 10, 12, safely at, 3, 4,000 units a day. So yes.
I read...
This is the doctor who treated and diagnosed 100,000 COVID patients.